Brandon, wagwan. Everything good?
Yeah, man, my boss, everything good from my ends, man. But what go on with the urgency of the car? What go on for that?
So the common problem where you come to me about in a Brandon, me get that deal with quick and fast, you know. As you notice, you know, see country out on the front. Country gone back a country gone. Ton, yellow yam. I grung him there. What my question is to you now, Brandon. What go on for the common problem where me talk to you about? That's what I want to ask you. Cause just like how me can get to the common problem where you come to me about and deal with it, me I wonder when you go deal with the common problem where me chat to you about. That more your answer.
What that, my boss? Yeah, I deal it. How that drape up business there for my boss? Nah, man, them think they can't work, star. Yo, Jigo, man, a big man, you know. Not because me a younger youth for your star. Wouldn't try for this and enough farmer way, star. At this me a while ago, Jigo. Big man levels. That can't work, man, that drape up business there. And I might think that, my boss, that can't work.
What is? Little Brandon, I get tough. Where are the little Brandon? Attack back to me. I give you a try, give me tough chat. Cause where really I deal with Brandon? I give you really, I give me tough chat, youth.
Nah, I give you a tough chat in my general. I just make you know, say, yo, me a big man and that drape up thing, they can't work. Me I know a little boy.
You hear me, I say, Brandon. The common problem with the boat we have a hit me a call. Boat. What you do? What you deal with when it come on to Tuggy and bother done? That's what me want to know about. As a matter of fact, me not even put business about Tuggy. What you do when it relates to bother done, that me want to know about. What go on for that?
Everything's still set in place in my general, but me know so by now you must hear about everything that go on over me yard what day.
So what go on over here yard what day? What go on?
Yeah, man, what you say, man, my general, man, then you know hear say Tuggy and better than come over me yard with two little juvenile, well mass up, come dig up me house, good and proper search for strap. And as the man them step out of me house, so them and the police them toss up out of front and the police them lick down a liquor youth to them car liquor chase. Take him 3 pints, same place, right now in front of me yard, all of that go on my general. So from that me never hear nor see nothing about better than and Tuggy. Them a keep a low profile because I be a police, be a soldier in the place. Every day I do foot patrol, every minute you see one another police vehicle or one rat patrol jeep a drive past the lane. So you know say place under well curfew down a certain way, my boss. So that's why certain things I got take little time still. Cause you don't know so you have to hold better than pot a certain way that's we can deal with the dirt the right way. So you have to just give it some time, general man. Cause right now the place hot.
Oh, you know some think you did got tell me a lie still. Me hear the 100 already, man. Me hear the 100 already and everything what go on, man. Me serious, so you did go come give me one different story. But it look like you are one real youth still. Look like you are one real youth still, but just make sure say I'm not chicken out this thing or you punk out the thing in a Brandon. Cause we need to get rid of that boy better than you see it.
No man, my general man, how you say man, my general. Me not no reason for telling a lie, my general. Me not work them type of way to my boss. From me say you are you, me say no man, me loyal to a fault in my general. So you don't know from me tell you say I gotta deal with that thing, I gotta deal with that thing, my boss. So no watch no face man, no say a old man, but just want the man know still, yo, me a big man and you have to give me little respect still, my boss. So no bother with that drape up thing there again.
Alright, Brandon, alright. We hear you. Just make sure say yo, you deal with what you have to deal with in the shortest time possible. And make you have to get on my wrong side, you know. Cause when all is said and done, Jigo might be a cool youth and thing, but you have to remember who me be still. And me are the man, here. So just understand that. And know say yo, deal with what you have to deal with, and everything will good.
Yeah man, my general man, I say a word man, I say 40, I 8. That's it, my boss. That is it. Bless up. Yo, Jano Star. Never know what is me get myself in a star. And I say, yo, when time G go drop me up, my serious the man I go pop off all him strap and rest the matic on my head side and bust it. May I tell a star, Jano Star, if my heart never strong, me piece up myself star. Me never expect that. Remember me tell a star, I play me off a play it off. Tough I make him know say, yo, that drape up thing then I go work. I have to demand a little bit of respect star. I can't make the man feel say, yo, I'm so weak out them way there. Jaja God, me no know what is me get myself in. Right now, me can't even to trust Jigo because the man show me a different side I'm in a day, star. The man show me a wicked side I'm right now, star. Me I tell you, that side there, Jano, but have me a way, star. Never expect that drape up the front of the general. Swear say man cool still. But as my grandfather always tell me still, there is no loyalty among thieves. Me just as a Jigo as a cool big man. But he make sure same remind me say him I done. I need to keep that in the back of my mind. I know say yo, Jigo and a somebody for my ramp with him just as cruel and ruthless as better than. So me no know what this me get myself in a star. Me no know what me did that think when time me go to a Jigo and Jano star me I tell you star. This more than what me can handle, this more than what me can bear, car I road and I cut out for Brandon at all, star. Me have to go devise a plan, star. Me have to devise a plan, cause me have to find a way out of this. Cause this can't be it for me none at all. A girl, a Rachel, star, yo, can't disappoint her. She put her best foot forward, she want to see me better off in her life too. So me have to go do the right thing, star. I have to go devise a plan to get myself out of this. Look at God. Channel star, Rachel I call me. Come like she feel the energy star and know some me stress out over your star. Jaja God. That's why I love the little tools I say in a star. Come like she know me more than anybody else. Hello? Hey, how go on there, Rachel? You good? You made it home safe?
Yes, Brandon. I made it home safe, but are you okay though?
Yeah, man, Rachel, I know some good do my dad my go and ease myself, so that's it.
Okay then, Brandon. Was just checking on you because you really seemed bothered when we were leaving.
Everything good and all, man, but it kind of bothered yes, but me get that like a small matter that deal with still, so I'm good and all, man. Everything alright. Thanks for checking in still. Definitely love that boat. You always care for me and check for me a certain way.
Yes, sure, Brandon. That's what a good woman is for, to make sure her man is mentally okay.
That is it, man, Rachel, man. You have it right. Same way you said go. That's why I choose you, Rachel. Jah no star. I just love how Jah bless me with a real one that time, yeah. Love you, my baby.
Blessed you are indeed, Brandon. Blessed you are.
Yo, Tuggy, away there. Come link me round pan the ends and I have a reasoning for show you. Hurry up.
Yeah, man, my general, man, I ask you, man, I forward the right, you know, come get a link, my general.
Yo, Tuggy, you know, say it's second strap that me lose in a quick succession, though. Because I boy Brandon. You're right, you know, somebody have to go pay for my strap, you know, Tuggy. You hear that? Me need you to send to juvenile for go pay all the one Miss Puncy. She have to go pay for his strap where her son just drop out and make the police them get. Right, you know, my strap just now go ghost us. One day I have to go pay for that. By the hook or by the crooks, man, they have to go pay for my strap. Or we even have to go pay all the boy Brandon too. But somebody have to go pay for his strap. I know somebody I wonder do to in a Tuggy. I wonder if I boy Brandon call all police and set way up to make the police them come lick down liquor chase and take all the strap star. I wonder. How you think, Lord?
No, man, my general, man, I not think of Brandon call no police, cause you have to remember, you know, my boss. Him never knows the way I come around there. Surprise we surprise him, you know. When we step in from Brandon just as surprised as anything else. So I can't even with it dead. So we never see him go up on the phone and call the police neither, my boss. So I can't Brandon. But my general, then up on a big man level still now we can't go pressure me spoon sister cause yo, I share for go bury little cheer star. We have to have little sympathy for the old lady star cause yo, Jano star our grandson just drop out my boss. Me not tell her what to do still now my general. But me just say my boss, have some sympathy for the old lady.
Alright, cool. Me hear you. Me not have a problem with that. You want me have some sympathy for the old lady, right?
Yeah, man, me general, man. Me I beg for some sympathy for the old lady star cause she alone have to go bury little chase right you know. You see it?
Alright, cool. I see I would them, man. I have some sympathy for the old lady. So you know, say, forget back my strap. Respond your shoulder now. Yeah, man. You want me have sympathy for the old lady, so me have to just pass it on to the next available person. And the next available person are you. So right now, Tuggy, make sure say me get back my strap. So anything what you need for do for line up to robbery with two like a juvenile, do what you need for do because the strap have to come back on the ends. And make sure say next weekend not pass. And you not call me and say, yo, the strap they back on the ends. The year where me say Tuggy. You're a year where me say.
Me boss. Me general. Me responsible shop you know. Judge of God. Alright, my general. Now say I would, man. Yeah, the general, you know. Say anything where I see alarm my boss. I deal with it. I was just saying anything what I need for do, get it back. That me I gotta deal with, but you know style general. You deal with me rough.
Me deal with the rough? You know see rough yet youth. Make me not get back my strap and you see what is really rough. You hear that? Anyway, we chat to you a little more still. Just do the do and make my strap reach back by my hands. You hear what me I say Tuggy.
Hear him, my general. Me hear him, my general. Now say a word, man. Me hear him, my boss. John star. Me never know what this. Me get all myself in a star. I lick a chase, granny me I look out for in a star. Cause me feel like waste of the youth all in up lose all in 3 pints. And me, the youth look up to a emulating and come in a badness, you know. And they even better than them man they rate, you know. In fact, all shot foot we end up lose them 3 pints. And me them youth they rate and come in a badness. Why, John star. This badness thing and never make no sense right you know because me nah benefit not no type. Every strap we're missing and my shoulder light end up fall back pan. See that when time shot foot lose all them 3 pints and me have to buy back the strap. Cause me know so when the general head plug out all my mother life good in a danger star. Jano star. Look how me sponsor around this. Stress out so she lose her like a one grandson. And the man still want to go pressure the woman. But me like the man value him strap over people. Lifestyle. Jano star. We need to learn from all of this still, you know. Because if I saw the man I deal with them when time then lose them 3 pints. If me go so back tomorrow and go lose all my 3 pints, me not feel like I'm going to deal with it. No different. And if me gone tomorrow I end up lose all a strap. And my family them are going to pressure. So yo, Tuggy, you need to let go this badness thing, yeah. But it may sound good to let it go still, but oh me I gotta just step away from it. And I just badness alone, me know. Me never do a 9 to 5 yet and me a big man, you know. Me never know how to go out to go work. Jano star. I have to devise a plan and get myself out of this thing, yeah. Jaja.
Good girl, Pinky, morning. Where you going with now morning? Yeah? You know more you follow me go up half a tree, girl. Me have something for deal with up there. Yeah, me have something for deal with and you me want follow me go up there. So where you doing now morning? Yeah? You come?
Yeah, girl. How we are talking about? You know, say Pinky don't have a 9 to 5 to go to. And Pinky don't have a chick nor a child to take care of. So yeah, me could go half a tree, you know. But make sure say if I'm money I go pick up, you know, you can't buy me like a lunch, you know. Cause me not have no money. So anyway, link now when time you're ready and I go get dressed now.
Yes, man, we have someone thinking me have that covered. We have that covered. He's a little big man, but me know him send no a little piece of change for you. So it me I go pick up right here now. So girl, lunch is on me.
Girl, look over this. No brand and new girl that. Look at God. Look how God just deliver her right in our hands in the morning. Yeah. You know see her, Ashley? You know see the girl over there, so the uptown girl, brand and new girl. As she that.
Yeah, girl, I did the club town girl, yes. Me did tell her, say, anywhere turn her go see her, she better prepare if take off her spike heel and take out her ears ring, cause me go beat her. And this morning, at the morning where she go get a solid beating. Pinky, come with me, make we go over there go page the uptown girl.
See the girl, Ashley. See the girl, see the little uptown Nash, the girl where I take your man. A she this, Ashley, a she this. Rush the master girl.
What the hell is going on here? So you all came to fight? Okay then. Ashley, why are you running away? I thought you wanted to fight.
No, sir. Me? That the slap the way me see you give Pinky look too healthy. Me nah make no uptown girl come beat me in half a chair and embarrass me. Me gone.